is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. So today's video is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna show you guys how the car sounds with this camera, which is the GoPro I'm using, and an iPhone, because I think there's a difference. So I don't know, I'm gonna leave that up to you guys, but also I'm gonna talk about the cosmetic changes I am about to do to the Hellcat, and I'm also gonna ask you guys for your opinions. Start the car. All right, there she goes. Whew. She's clean. All right, there she is. She looks so pretty. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start the car in here, then take it out and start it over there. Got the red key. Barely squeezed in here. Ooh. Whew. All right, let's start the car. So I got my iPhone. Go get your Adams polished phone case. It's a pretty dope phone case. So we're gonna use that and we're gonna start the car. So this is what we're gonna do. The first video I'm gonna put is starting the car using my GoPro. The second video is going to be my iPhone. Let me know if you guys can tell a difference, or maybe you just can't get the full effect on anything unless you're in person. So let's get it. Alright guys, so that wasn't a cold start just because I turned on the car a couple times, but doesn't matter. It was still pretty loud in person. So basically, I'm gonna put the videos. I'm gonna put the one with the GoPro. That will be the first one. The second one will be my iPhone. So let me know what you guys think. But now let's get into the video. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I was thinking about tinting these reflectors. There's this one right here. There's another one right here. And then there's this orange one. I was thinking about tinting them, so like it'll be like dark. What do you guys think of that? I was trying to get that done ASAP, and I was gonna show you guys, make like a tutorial video of how to do that. So let me know if you guys think that's a good cosmetic mod or not, or just leave them the way they are. Okay, now the second thing is the Hellcat symbol. So I want to take this Hellcat symbol. Do you guys see how it's all like filled in? So the Hellcat symbol I want to put, and it's just the outline symbol, and then there's no background. This black will just be like the car basically. So it's just the outline symbol. What do you guys think? You guys think I should do that or leave this one? I don't know. So that's why it's been like this. I don't really know what to do. So let me know in the comments below. I really want your input and anything that goes into this car, so that's why I'm coming to you guys, because you guys are my family. The third cosmetic thing is the exhaust tips. So the exhaust tips are this boring, rectangular looking shape. I was thinking about putting quad tips. I was going to put them on like a long time ago. I was gonna do that on my Scat Pack Challenger, but I just forgot about it, to be honest. So I just forgot about it, and I think I'm gonna put up on the Hellcat. I think it'll look good What do you guys think? You think I should? I'm gonna put the picture of how it would look. It's basically like 2 little circle exhaust tips on each side, so I think it'll make the rear end look really aggressive. So that's another thing. Let me know in the comments below. Let's move on to the next thing. The next thing is this. So the center right here, it's called Lux. That's the company. They make like a little vinyl looking wrap right here, and sometimes it has the American flag. It'll say Hellcat. I'm not sure what, but I'm gonna show you guys a couple options that I was thinking of putting here, and let me know if you guys think that'd be a good idea. So yeah, they actually do Lux, and that's who makes the reflectors also. So they come pre-cut, and you just put them on. You don't have to cut your, you know, the tint, you know, filter or whatever. You just, it makes it easier for people. So let's move on to the last thing. I think that's the last thing. So, and it's these Hellcat SRT and Hellcat symbols. So same thing as I was gonna do in the side. It would be SRT and then just the outlined Hellcat symbol. That black thing, that's actually the symbol. It's not the spoiler, by the way. So that won't be there. It'll just be the outline. What do you guys think? And it'd probably be color matched to the car. So that would probably be green, and on the side I'd probably make it black, just because green would just, it'd blend in with the car and you wouldn't be able to see it. So let me know in the comments below. Back in the garage, and I'm about to cover her up. That was quick. Alright guys, so I am sorry for the lack of updates and also for this short video. The Hellcat is coming out next week for sure. The weather is getting better. Also, it is pretty cold, so, but I don't really care if it's cold, honestly. I'm gonna go out and have some fun. We're also gonna go to the shop that does and builds my car, and we are gonna talk about the nitrous. We're gonna see how this is gonna work, and what is it gonna take to get this to work. Is it safe? What's the, you know, what's good about it, what's bad about it. We're gonna go into all that detail in an upcoming video. But anyways guys, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the, I don't know what button you want, hit whatever button you want, but make sure you hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons, and just come join me on this great journey on becoming the coolest YouTube channel on YouTube, duh. So we're about to have a crazy summer, guys, and also the race of this cat and the demon is coming up. We're gonna do a dig race, we're gonna do a roll race, we're gonna have some fun, and also the C706 is gonna get some action too. So you make sure you guys stick around for that. Anyways, I love you guys, thank you for all the support, and for all the hate, peace out, love you guys too.